Okay, welcome back everybody to a new tutorial. So for this project I'm using some of my leftover cotton yarn and a 4.5 millimeter hook. For this one, if you want, you can use a double strand. It's like two of these and you crochet them together, or you can use only one like I'm gonna do here. One more thing, you can use a cotton yarn, or you can use a tool like a lot of crocheters they do, because it's easier for the dishwash scrubber. But for the cotton yarn you'll have to wash it every time and dry it, so that's the difference. But the tool, I guess, it dries on its own, so you don't need to throw it in the washing machine every time. So it depends on you, but the concept of this project is the same. We're starting with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I'm gonna do 20 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. So this is 1, 2, 3. So the chain 3 is not counted as a double crochet, so we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay, 19, and 20, and join on top of the first double crochet with a slip stitch. Okay, so this is my first round completed. Now what I'm gonna do, chain 1, 2 single crochet in each stitch. So 1, last stitch, and I'll join with a slip stitch. Okay, so this is round 2. Now one more round, and of course it depends on you how big or small you want it to be. So chain 1, 1 single crochet around the whole circle. So 1, next one, next one, next one. Okay, and here I'm at the end again of my row, and then I'll join with a slip stitch. So this is, yeah, I'll join over here. Okay, and now I will fasten off here, and I'll do another piece exactly like this, and then I'll show you how to join them together. And join onto the first one. Okay, so this is the right side, as we can see, and this is the wrong side, so attaching them together, making sure the yarn is kept out and the stitches are facing one another. So the first stitch over here, which we're gonna attach here. So I'm gonna make a slip stitch all around both circles, pull through both ends to close them and make them into a scrabble or scrabber. And here I'm back to the beginning stitches where I started, and then the last slip stitch and fasten off. Then I'm gonna cut my thread and sew everything together. So this is my scrubber, like this scrubber. You can make it bigger if you wish, or you can make it this size. Very easy to make. As I said, some people make it using a tool because you don't have to throw it in the washing. But for the cotton, you can't leave it to dry on its own. Hygienically is not okay. So if you're okay to throw it in the washing machine every time, then you do the cotton yarn. So I hope you like this easy and quick tutorial. Let me know what you think, and if you have any idea or any crochet tutorial you want me to do, let me know in the comment section. And until next time, take care. Don't forget to check the description box for any information you might need of the yarn, crochet hook, and the written pattern as well. See you next time.